Hi everyone! Today I wanted to do a review of this beautiful Breville Barista espresso machine. Now, I decided to up my home coffee game and took the plunge into the world of semi-automatic espresso machines. And after extensive research, I landed on the Breville Barista Espresso. And I must say, it's really good. It has been a game changer for my morning routine. First thing first, the design is slick and modern. We purchased the one that has brushed stainless steel finish. It adds a touch of sophistication right to my kitchen. And I love that it's compact size. It doesn't take too much counter space, which is a big plus in my book. Now it does have a built-in bird grinder is a standout feature. It grinds the coffee beans right before extraction, ensuring, maximum freshness and flavor, and the grind size dial and grind amount knob offer a decent level of control, allowing me to tailor the grind to my preferred taste. However, I did find that takes a bit of experimental to find the perfect grind setting. So just keep that in mind. It does have a 2-liter water reservoir, which is a generous size, meaning fewer refills, which I absolutely love. And one of the strengths about it is this versatility, right? Whether you're a beginner like me or a seasoned barista, the Breville Barista Express offers a range of customizable settings, and it does have a pre-programmed espresso shop button, making it easier for beginners to get started, while the manual control options allow experts to experienced users to kind of fine-tune the extraction process. It does have a steam wand, which is another highlight. It produces velvety-like microphone for lattes and cappuccinos, which I absolutely love using and showing off. And as someone who enjoys a good flat white, this theme one has been a truly game changer for me. It also has beautiful curves, which I absolutely love. It's very user-friendly when it comes to cleaning. And in terms of maintenance, it's relatively easy to clean. So, in conclusion, if you're looking for a barista espresso, I love this Breville. Invest. It's like probably the best investment for any coffee lover looking to bring the cafe experience into their home, and I absolutely recommend it.